Assalamualaikum. My YouTube family, let's make delicious chocolate chip cookies in a very easy recipe. Now you can easily make chocolate chip cookies like up bakery at home. Take 1 cup of butter in a bowl and beat it well with a beater. It should be melted butter. Beat the butter until it becomes butter smooth and fluffy. Now add half a cup of brown sugar to the butter and beat it well. After beating for 5 minutes, add half cup of icing sugar and beat again for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of beating, the batter will become smooth and fluffy. Now add an egg and beat for 2 minutes. If you like my recipes, please subscribe my channel and share. Now add half teaspoon of baking powder and pinch of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and beat well for 2 minutes. After beating, the batter will be very smooth and fluffy. Then add 1 cup of flour and mix it well by hand. If the batter becomes too soft, you can add more flour. Add half a cup of chocolate chips and chocolate chunks to the dough and mix it well. Freeze the dough for an hour after adding the chocolate chips. This will make your chocolate chip cookies extra delicious. Put butter paper in a baking tray and grease it. Then make cookies in round shape from frozen dough and add frozen Nutella to them and make cookies in round shape. Make a round shape by adding frozen Nutella to all the cookies. You can also add some chocolate chunks on top to make your cookies even more delicious. Now preheat the oven and bake the cookies for 14 minutes. After 14 minutes, the delicious chocolate chip Nutella cookies is ready. If you like my recipes, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more recipes. These easy Nutella chocolate chips cookies very easy to make at home, and your kids will love them. Thank you very much for watching. Allah Hafiz.